and welcome to Canvas India. I am Komal Panchal and today we're going to do a live session on Kalamkari. Kalamkari is one of the oldest unique art forms wherein we used to use a tool called kalam. Kalam is more like a wooden twig, and natural dye. Natural dye is something that is mainly natural dye is basically using any natural pigments like henna, bricks and mud, and using those natural products to make colors. So that's how the name kalamkari comes into picture. And the both of these, so this painting, the style of painting is basically from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So I'll just show you some of my kalamkari art. So this is one kalamkari painting that I have done. This was for my 2017 collection. This is another one from the similar period. So I think I'm so glad you guys are on board. Thank you guys for coming in. It's amazing to, meet you guys, speak to you, and have this weekly conversation. So today we have our guest, super musician, talented actor, and an amazing singer, Vrisha Datta. She is known for her singing in High School Musical, Indian version, the Hindi songs that were there. I think I am a big fan. So let's just call her upon. Let's just wait for Vrisha to join. Hi, Vrisha.
Hi, Komal. How are you?
After such a long time. How
It's
are
been
you?
forever. It's been forever. So glad to see you, and you're looking beautiful, by the way.
Thank you. I like your hair color. Did you do that on your own?
Thank you. I did because, hello, quarantine, so we don't have parlors open anywhere. So I luckily had ordered some red color, henna-based color for my hair. I didn't want chemicals, and I was skeptical कि आएगा कि नहीं color, but हो गया. And I did my own haircut also, by the way. I
Superb.
did
I think
Boo ka
quarantine is
haircut.
going very well for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi, Sneha. Good to have you here. People are joining in. I was watching your Kalamkarika art. It's really pretty.
I'm so glad. So the whole idea behind doing Canvas was always, bringing these art forms back and to let our audience know that, these art forms are so important, so historic, and they have such amazing rooted memories and,
Right.
like the way it's done, the techniques and the tools that they use. So it's now the thing that we do has become very modernized and contemporary. That
True
is
that.
because you have to, upgrade your tools with the climate and with the change in the world. But I think
Yeah.
the motives and everything is so pretty. So I think you're ready. This is what
Yeah.
we're going to do today.
Awesome. Awesome.
But I
But
would
if I,
definitely want you to start this on with a song. Come on, let's do
with a
this.
musical note, with let's say the theme of our interaction has always been friendship and common friends around. So there is this song which was produced by our teammate Sumanta, and it is one of my favorite songs. My mom is also asking me to sing. So let's start this on a nice groovy note because soon we are
Go
going to
for
groove
it.
into our painting sessions. And here we go. Sing along, guys, when you realize what song it is. Give it up to Sumanta, guys. He's produced this track. अटिया तो की पाइया झांझरा लोग मरे लश्कारे अटिया तो की पाइया झांझरा लोग मरे लश्कारे कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे अटिया तो की पाइया झांझरा लोग मरे लश्कारे अटिया तो की पाइया झांझरा लोग मरे लश्कारे कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए have it for Komal and her paintings.
So
I'm going to start after singing because I cannot multitask. Boo also joined in. Hello, everyone.
Hi guys,
Okay.
thank you so much for joining in. So I'm
So
going to show you
Sumanta,
the tool that we're using.
Yeah.
So this is a pen by Flair. It's a basic gel pen. So you guys can use any basic gel pen, ball pen. Just it's supposed to be black because that's what it looks. Oh, you have a Staedtler. Superb.
I do.
If you guys have Sharpies and Staedtlers, I think you guys are superb. I'm using this other pen from Cross.
Okay.
This is superb. And then I also have this OHP marker. You can use any other marker. And I'm using these basic sketch pens. Mine is a little thicker, so I'll be coloring faster, though we have less coloring this time. So let's start. I will switch my camera, and Risha, you can continue your music.
I can continue. And Sumanta, this one's for you because he has produced this track, beautiful dubstep version of Kangna. Let me continue from here. We have sung a bit of it, and here we go. कंगणे ते विच लगे नग सतरंगणी कल्ले कल्ले आशिका तो दिले है मंगनी कंगणे ते विच लगे नग सतरंगनी कल्ले कल्ले आशिका तो दिले है मंगनी कंगना तेरा सच बोलदा हुस्न ते सरकारे ओए कंगना तेरा सच बोलदा हुस्न ते सरकार कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे हो कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे. People who joined in, sing along. Komal, can you guess the song?
This has to be
गली में मारे फेरे पास लाने को मेरे गली में मारे फेरे पास लाने को मेरे कभी पलकता नैन मेरे तो कभी पलकता तो और कभी पलकता नैन मेरे तो कभी पलकता तो सरिया मुंडे आवे कचियां कलियां ना तोड़ अंबर सरिया मुझे तीखे से बोल तेरी माँ ने बोले हैं मुझे तीखे से बोल अंबर सरिया अंबर सरिया. Thank you, Lakshya. Thanks for joining in. Hi, Sid. मैं कलियों के जैसी मेरी अलहड़ उम्र नियाड़ी छोटी सी ये चांद मेरी और चौपन बहता पानी मैं कलियों के जैसी मेरी अलहड़ उम्र नियाड़ी छोटी सी ये चांद मेरी और चौपन बहता पानी वो जब से चढ़ी जवानी ढूंढते दिल दहाड़ी हो जब से चढ़ी जवानी ये ढूंढते दिल दहाड़ी ऐन नशीले हो अगर सुरमई दी की लोड़ अंबर सरिया मुंडे आवे कचियां कलियां ना तोड़ अंबर सरिया मुंडे आवे कचियां कलियां ना तोड़ तेरी माँ ने बोले हैं मुझे तीखे से बोल तेरी माँ ने बोले हैं मुझे तीखे से बोल अंबर सरिया अंबर सरिया. Looks beautiful, Komal.
Thank you, Risha.
गोरी गोरी मेरी कलाई हाय ओ ढूंपना मैं सियाड़ा, नहीं मैं सुरमा पाड़ा, ढूंपना मैं सियाड़ा। नैन नशीले हो अगर तो सुरमई तीखी नोड़, अंबर सरिया मुंडिया वे कचिया कलिया ना तोड़, अंबर सरिया मुंडिया वे कचिया कलिया ना तोड़। तेरी माँ ने बोले हैं मुझे तीखे से बोल, तेरी माँ ने बोले हैं मुझे तीखे से बोल, अंबर सरिया अंबर सरिया। And that was Ambar Sariya, guys. And that's
Trust me,
Komal's
Vrisha,
beautiful.
all of these is getting like old memories back.
Oh wow, yeah, it is nostalgic. Oh, I am reminded of the first time we performed this in front of you. We had gone for a gig in Nashik. Do you remember?
Yes, yes, I do. I do remember that. I
So
think
the
it was one
whole
of the
band,
best times we've had.
it was, and guys, we sneaked in Komal saying that she was our manager. She was not. We sneaked her in, and it was in between a beautiful farm, and it was an indie concert, and there were a lot of original songs. There were beautiful bands playing, and then it was our very first time with the ensemble that we had, and that is where we performed this song live. Okay, what is this? Wow, nice drawing plus song, both are doing excellent. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you so much. Pallavi also joined in. Hi,
So,
Pallavi.
so guys, let me just
Bol.
give you some detail about kalamkari. The thing is, whenever you're
I'm
doing
gonna try and draw.
kalamkari, it was initially very much inspired by god and goddesses. Like most of it is was used originally to do like elaborate versions of god and goddesses. So that's why you will see every element that we're going to draw is super decorative, super like very detailed and very designer. Like use as many curves and as many detailing on it, and I'm sure you guys are going to do well. So everybody who's joined right now, get in your black pen, your red color and your paper and join in. Thank you, Misty.
That's
So
my
I'm
mom,
going
by the way.
to
Misty is my mom.
Hi, Auntie. So I'm going to continue, and I think Risha is going to draw with us now.
I am trying. I am doing a terrible job at it. Don't laugh at me if it all goes down the drain.
It's
But
okay.
I'm going to try. So I am doing this, and what I'm going to do is, Komal, I had a couple of questions about Canvas. Okay, you're stuck. Can you hear me?
You guys can request Vrisha to sing whatever she likes, whatever you guys like. So I'm sure it's going to be a good session today. Hi, Latika. Thank you so much.
Can you hear me, Komal?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Carry on. I couldn't hear you.
This is my version of a peacock. Now we'll continue doing the tail, and that's actually the feather portion. So if you can see here, this is what we are doing. So we are first initially just doing the basic outlines, and we're going to do the fillers later. So, but Risha, as in when I think a lot of people are sending in some requests, so you can continue whenever you feel like.
Song data. Okay. So guys, do you have any request, or should I go with one of the songs that? Okay, let me go one freestyling without any track. Something that I love to sing, a short version of it. So this is one song which is let's say my go-to song all the time, and I sing this in almost all the shows. And I like singing it because I'm not an out and out Bollywood singer and not out and out indie. It is somewhere in between, and this song caters to that thought. So let's go for it. Hi Farhad, bye. How are you? Farhad is a wonderful musician, singer, and guys, you should check out his stuff as well. A lot of indie compositions, and he's sung in a lot of movies for RGV. Okay, Jinal, can we have All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Da, da, da. I forgot the lyrics, but I wish I had that track so I could sing that for you. But I will try and sing that song for you a little later. But for now, let's roll with another song. तू नील समंदर है, तू नील समंदर है, रेत का साहिल हूँ, रेत का साहिल हूँ, आकाश में ले तेरे से प्यासी हूँ। एक सौदा रात का, एक कौड़ी चांद की, चाहे तो चूम ले तू कौड़ी चांद की। एक सौदा रात का, एक कौड़ी चांद की, चाहे तो चूम ले तू कौड़ी चांद की। एक चांद की कश्ती में चल पर उतरना है, तू हल्के हल्के कहना दरिया न छलके। मैया मैया गुलाबी तारे चुनले सारे चुन, मैया मैया जिस्मों के पर्दों में दर्द किनारे चुन ले। मैया मैया गुलाबी तारे चुन ले सारे चुन, मैया मैया वो जिस्मों में पर्दों के दर्दों के किनारे चुन ले। Yeah.
Wow, Risha,
Hi.
I think you are fabulous. I mean, I am having a blast. I don't know about you, but I am having a blast.
Thank you so much. I'm also having a blast, just that I am finding it exceedingly difficult to multitask between sketching and doing the singing bits.
I
But
think
I'm
you
going
can
to
just
try my
stick to your
best.
singing once in a while because I think my audience is enjoying this a lot.
Oh, so sweet.
Hi,
Hi, Shasta
Shatarwala.
Shatarwala.
Thank you.
He's a wonderful actor, by the way. And you should go and check out his stuff as well, guys. And he does photography as well. Hi, Ankit. Hi,
Risha, why
everyone.
don't you
Hi, Quirky
sing?
Plus 2.
Why don't you sing something in Bengali?
Oh, about Bengali, I have to tell something to you guys. So, a lot of
Okay,
people have
one
been telling me to do.
be-
Ha,
before you
bol
start,
bol
I'll
bol.
just explain what we're doing here. Okay, so guys,
Yes, I'll
I've
try to
already
sketch.
finished the tail. I've already finished the tail. I've used a darker marker, a thicker marker to finish the edges. You can also use a thicker sketch pen or a permanent marker to do it because it gets easier. Now we're just doing the decorative part. So like we do it in every drawing, you have to fill in the area as much as you can with little details that is needed. So just look exact what I'm doing and try and do exactly what I'm doing. If you guys have any questions, please put them up below and I will answer them. I'm using a OHP marker right now because I don't have sketch pens or the drawing marker. So let's continue, Risha. Thank you.
Thank you for that information, Komal. And also, by the way, which state does this art belong to? You said Andhra Pradesh, right?
Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So the motifs
Andhra.
from each state is different, but if you
Okay.
see the technique of painting, it's exactly the same.
Okay, and what is it exactly used in? Is it used in textile and like what exactly is this used in, this art form?
So kalamkari was actually earlier used to do paintings of gods and goddesses. If you see
Okay.
the old paintings, they are all like very elaborated, decorative. That's why every even like any element will have like an elaborative crown kind of a thing on top.
Right, it's all very detailed.
Yes, it is. So
Great.
after doing this, we are going to fill it with more and more details. So it gets
Yeah.
complicated as in when we grow.
Great. Okay,
Where
so
have
you're
you
going
reached, Vrisha? You show me something that you're doing.
Oh, please, I am doing terrible and I am not doing exactly what you did, but I have just done itna. I've just done itna for now. But I will
think
get there,
that's
Komal.
good enough, but we will. It's okay because I think you're really good at what you're doing. So you should stick to singing.
Yeah, basically she's saying, Risha, you suck at sketching. Stick to singing. Okay, so you were
Uh,
asking me for a Bengali song, right?
yes.
I did something interesting of late. Everyone has been asking me to do a Bengali song, and there is one Bengali song that is doing rounds everywhere and it's gone viral, which is Genda Phool. And people think that it's Badshah's compositions. No, Badshah has adapted to the song. It is a Bengali folk song. It is a Bengali folk song that we have grown up listening to and which has been there since forever. So I thought I should do the a cover version of the original song. And because I don't have my producer people and everyone around me, so I thought why not do like a vocal arrangement and put it up online. I haven't posted this yet because I'm yet to like make a video. I was thinking of making a video on TikTok and posting it, but you guys are going to be the first ones to hear this. There are no instruments, absolutely no instruments. It's all vocal sounds. Even the sounds of instruments have been done by vocals. And this form of music is called a cappella, which is no instrument, only vocals. And I'm going to play the track and I'm going to try and sing on it, something that I have made myself, a small version.
So now we'll start doing the detailing, guys, till Risha sings.
বড় লোকের বেটি লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল বড় লোকের বেটি লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল দেখেছিলাম সরানে আরে সরানে দেখেছিলাম সরানে আরে সরানে আমার সঙ্গে দেখা হবে বাবুর বাগানে আমার সঙ্গে দেখা হবে বাবুর বাগানে বড় লোকের বেটি লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল. So this is a short cover of Ginda Phool.
Super.
Komal,
How talented are you, Risha?
how talented are you, Komal? Remember me doing great creativity. Thank you. I guess that's for Komal. Being blessing. Thank you, Mama. And what is this? Okay, let me read some comments. Sorry, I missed out on a lot of comments. I bet there's hidden sketching talent too, just out of practice. That's because she knows me too well. She's been with me in my animation class, and we used to have these basic sketching, lectures. Yes, you're right, sweetheart. And by the way, shout out for Quirky Pink Plus Two. She's a mother of two kids, and she has a wonderful page that you guys should check out, where she posts animations of her kids and comic strips of her kids. And it's really, really cute. She uses her own daughter's 4-year-old daughter's voice on it. And I think that page is worth going viral. And she also keeps a lot of competitions for mommies who are working from home or, who are interested in art. Pretty much doing what Komal does with her sketching, she does with her animation and with her page. So, Quirky Pink #+2. Do check her out.
Okay,
And what
so
is
guys,
this?
Going back to Kalamkari. Thank you, Risha, for all the information. So these are actual art forms that we create for our own shoes. If you want to check out the shoes that are made with using these art forms, please go online on canvas.world. You can check out all the paintings that we've ever done, and you'll see the shoes which are actually made in these prints. You'll find sneakers, ballerinas, and really like amazing styles of shoes, like a lot of variety of shoes, and in different art forms. We've also done Gond, Madhubani, we've done kalamkari paintings as well as kalamkari block prints. Kalamkari block print is basically using similar motifs, but we use blocks instead. That is wooden blocks, carved wooden blocks. Uh, some of our shoes are hand painted, but most of them are digitally done. Initially, we used to hand paint each shoe, but practically it's not possible to do that anymore. So some of them are hand painted. And what we do is we create our own paintings and then digitally convert it and then put them on shoes. So they are pretty much superb original art. We do not copy from anything. We just take inspiration from the older versions, the ancient versions of art forms that was initially done by the artisans. We also have some artisans who work with us from different regions. I can't get them here currently thanks to the lockdown, but I'm just trying to show you as much as I can. The part that I do is just collaborate with these artisans and try and create as much as good work. So our motto has always been in creating shows that are very ethical, very Indianized. Plus, also we do not use leather at all, so it's all vegan. And you guys should check out.
Shout out for that.
So I've already added much of the details. You all can finish this portion. I'm going to finish the crown and the decorative portion that I've done here. And then we're going to move on to doing the empty spaces.
How are you planning to fill in that andar ka ye wing? My God. I mean, can you tell us on how do you decide what pattern to use where?
I think it's just come with the flow because I've been doing this.
Comment if it's still visible. Okay, yeah, video was stopped. Now it's back. Now it's back. Now it's back.
No, I think I just switched off my Instagram galti se. Because I don't have it today. I'm fixing things to my tripod again and again just to show you guys what I'm doing. And it's not very comfortable, but still. Okay.
Thank you so much for doing it nonetheless, Komal, because I know it's difficult juggling between all those things over there.
So I'll just show you how am I going to do the inside decorate. So like Risha, you said, it's all, I think with practice, I've got a hang of, different elements that I can add. So I don't really think too much. If you keep doing the same thing for all your life, I think it's just practice.
It's just practice. Is it on the lines of like how you make mehndi designs where you have certain specific patterns which is true to the original art form and then तुम अपने हिसाब से वो भरते रहो as in when you keep making it.
वो वैसा ही है ना कि जैसे आप किसी चीज से इंस्पायर हो और उसको आप अपने वर्जन में जितना हो सके ओरिजिनलिटी रख के आप जितना उसको अपने वर्जन में कर सकते हो वैसे करो.
अच्छा, Jinal Shah is saying your audio is very less. Thoda, if you can speak louder.
Sure, Jinal. Thank you. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly.
Okay, guys. So we are filling in the details.
What is this? On shoes. My friend is surprised you do all this hand painting on shoes.
Yes, so that's what this is all about.
How did you get into shoes? How did you realize out of everything? Because I remember you also used to do menswear and designing for other things. Then how did your heart fall for doing it in shoes?
So Canvas is actually 4.5 years now, and I started with doing a lot of things. I have a degree in fashion designing, and that's what made me want to do anything related to fashion. And shoes, I think it just happened. Like I had a huge fetish for shoes. I myself had like around 60-70 pairs of shoes, and that's when I realized, hey, why can't we convert a passion into business? And I collaborated my love for drawing and my love for shoe to create shoes that are artistic.
Beautiful, yeah.
My
And I
first
have come.
collection, my first
Go on,
collection
go
was
on.
like a super hit, and then it was never going back.
Amazing. Oh, you have to also tell us about the time we went to Goa and your first ramp show when you presented all of your collection for the first time in front of the whole world, in front of media, and you were all over.
I think Risha, I need to thank you for that again, because Risha has been a huge part of Canvas since we started. And so in 2017, I think around March, we had the India Beach Fashion Week, where Canvas was one of the brands who was showcasing, and we had a live fashion show. Risha, on that note, I think you should sing Titanium. Come on.
I should sing. Oh my God, Titanium. It's been forever I sang that. Oh, she's saying that because I had the opportunity because of Komal. Thank you so much to sing on the ramp while Sumit Vyas and Niti Bisht from Permanent Roommates and all of them were on stage, and while all the models were there walking in Komal's shoes, and Titanium was one of the songs that I sang. Hold on, let me find the track. But I've come this far with the sketch. How's that going so far?
Wow.
Komal, is it
Risha,
going? Oh, that's
I don't think even you're trying to copy, but that's the best part. You can just go with the flow, guys. Do whatever you like.
yeah. I
I'm
am.
trying my
I'm
bit. You guys can just try your bit.
yeah. Okay, let me search Titanium for you.
Guys, we're going to fill these empty spaces with small curves that I have done here. So these are actually scallop shapes. I'm just going to do one and show you. Just do, I'm going to use a thinner pen. So because the detailing is very thin, just do little scallops here.
Okay, so on Komal's request, I'm doing Titanium. You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. Yeah. You shoot me down, and I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. Shoot me down, but I will fall. Some titanium. Shoot me down, 'cause I will fall. Some titanium. You cut me down, but it's you who have further to fall. Goes down and hard and left. You raise your voice. Sticks and stones may raise my bones, yeah. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your way. Far away, far away. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. Some titanium. Shoot me down, 'cause I won't fall. Some titanium. Shoot me down, 'cause I won't fall. I will fall. Stone hard machine guns fire at the ones who run. Stone hard those bulletproof glass. Shoot me down, 'cause I will fall. Some titanium. Shoot me down, 'cause I will fall. Some titanium. Shoot me down, 'cause I will fall. Some titanium. Shoot me down, 'cause I will fall. Some titanium. Shoot me down, 'cause I will fall. Some
Superb. I
Thank you.
think Risha, that was amazing.
Thank you. And you
Amazing.
were amazing. Your drawing is amazing. I mean, it's gone so far. देखते देखते मतलब इतनी जल्दी करती है यार तू.
आदत हो गई है.
So how do you find how do you trace the original forms of art that you want to do? How do you did you like go on a Reiki traveling trying to look out for artisans and artists? How do you go about with it?
Initially, in the first year of Canvas, that's what we did. We went to different villages. We went to a lot of places in Bhagru, that is one village in Rajasthan. And we went to Yevla, which is a village in Maharashtra only. They do Petni. So such different villages we went ourselves. I also went to Ajrakpur, where Ajrak, that's also another art form, is done. So, and I also have a tie-up with some NGOs who work with these artisans who make these paintings. So that's what, meeting them, staying with them. In fact, not just traveling, I used to stay with them for almost a week and a half and, you know, sit with them, learn with them. Apart from using their original technique, we also sat with them to teach them the technique, using acrylic colors and using different coloring forms, so we can actually add more brighter and vibrant colors to the basic art that they do. So
Right.
it's been a journey of 4.5 years, and it's all, you know, come together with learning, traveling, and practicing, I think.
Beautiful, yeah. I love it. How interesting. And it's nice to see how passionate you are about this, because you said you went to their houses and lived with them. So you lived like a local, you lived their lives to know where does the roots come from and how do they do it.
Yes, to a very much extent, we've also sat and eaten breakfast with them, and I think
How nice.
the warmest people stay in the villages. Trust me, it's beautiful.
I can imagine, because when I go to my hometown in West Bengal, in the villages, our village में हम लोग का village का नाम है केंद्रगोरिया, and we have a haveli, and we have a lot of beautiful people out there. मतलब everybody knows everybody in the town, and everybody is doing everything for everyone, you know, and you don't find that community and that connection in the whole community in cities. So this is also art form shares because it's a shared community art. So they're born with the talent. I think same goes for music also. Talking about Sumanta, what you do for your artwork, he does that for folk music, because he travels in all these very outskirts, and he travels in very remote villages to find out their art form and their music and where it comes from. And be it art or be it music, it changes every few miles. You know, for in India it is so diverse that you find variation of one art form in so many different ways. So it's really beautiful. There's no end to learning about what our country has and the gems it produces.
I think we have a huge heritage in art and music, and all of you guys out there, you need to understand that we have to promote what we already have. It's like our heritage from our ancestors, and we have to preserve it as much as we can and embrace it to another level, because what we have, I don't think the world has ever seen that before.
Exactly. So
So
earlier I had a
guys,
lot of fascination traveling abroad. Now I want to travel local and explore every nook and corner of our country because it's so magnificent in so many ways.
like I'm
So
trying to finish as much details as I can, but we only have 15 minutes. So I will start coloring also. You guys can also start coloring, and the remaining details you all can do it later. I will also put this up on my Instagram IGTV so you all can check it out later and finish the detailing that you all haven't finished. Kalamkari is a super detailed art form. I'm still trying to do as much as I can, but this takes a good 8 to 9 hours to actually finish if you're doing it with super detailing. And like I said, it's not that I'm copying something. It's something that just comes in my mind. So it does take much more time than what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm just like replicating what I had done earlier in 2017. But you guys can definitely go and check out the shoes that we've created with these paintings. It's on canvas.world.
so all these, but अभी delivery होने वाला है क्या कोमल? Like if because I shared your page with some of my artist musician friends who would love to wear your shoes in their shows whenever we are back to normalcy. So
So
what are you doing? Are you
mostly,
taking any pre-orders?
so we're taking orders, and mostly I think this week, tomorrow, we're opening Amazon online, we're opening Nika online, Tata Click. Guys, we are on Myntra, Amazon, uh, Tata Click, Agio, Jaipur, The Loom. You guys can check our stuff there. So we are starting tomorrow. We're starting deliveries with as much precautions as we can, and only two labors, my packing staff, and we're not calling the admin staff for sure for the next 15 to 20 days. So as much precaution is taken and hope for the best. So guys, I've
Awesome.
almost finished my detailing. I'm going to start coloring. What you have to do is just pick your places where you want your reds. Reds is basically to highlight the whole painting overall. So I'm just starting with my eye. Use the brightest red that you have. So you can see the painting actually coming alive after you add even like the little detail. It's so originally the red was done with kumku.
Kumkum, you mean sindoor?
Yes.
Wow. And do they still use natural pigments in their
In the
paintings?
in the paintings, yes, but what we've observed is after a while the natural colors does get faded because
Right.
of the climate and humidity and all the other elements. So
It's commercially not viable that way.
not viable. You can put them on your wall, but then still after 5 6 years you'll see the difference. Hence,
Hmm.
we tried to use more, uh, you know,
Hmm.
sustainable
Colors that will stay.
color techniques.
Awesome, awesome. Only red is used. Acha, Quirky Pink is asking, is only red used in kalamkari or there are other colors as well?
No, so there are different colors that you can use. You will also see a combination of different shades of brown, ochre yellow, even olive green is used. So you'll see very dusky and very rooted colors, very earthy colors that you'll find easily available in the nature. Yellow is
Hmm.
formed by turmeric. You use brown. You use basically the red mud to do brown.
Hmm.
I'm only using red because I really like kalamkari in black and red. So that's my personal favorite.
Beautiful. And on that note, do you guys have? Oh, hi Dante, nice to see you. Acha, my friend is saying your drawing is really pretty.
Thank you so much.
He is my gaming buddy. On that note, you guys have any request for any song? I'll be up for it. Otherwise, I'll go on with another song that I was planning to do.
I think we can start doing the song that you told me about. I love it, and I think
Which one? Which one?
Oh, on that note, I want to know: do you remember any of your olden high school musical songs?
Oh my God.
Please,
I
I am
do
a
remember.
Disney person.
I do remember because, okay, she's asking because I had sung the Hindi version of High School Musical 3, and I had done Vanessa Hudgens' voice. I do remember. I'll sing a couple of lines for you, Komal. There was the
Please.
song Walk Away. Do you remember the song Walk Away?
Yes, do walk away.
Okay. Okay, the Walk Away ka Hindi version goes something like this. जाने क्यों सोचा मैंने कि पूरे होंगे सपने ये, क्यों सोचा नहीं इस दिल को तेरा नाम लेने से, इस बार कह न पाऊंगी फिर मैं goodbye, हाँ कैसे मैं कहूँ कि जाना तुझे है दूर मेरी राहों से. Oh no, just walk away और मुड़ के देखो ना, कि टूटा जो दिल कैसे संभालूं मैं. नहीं आसान पर अब जाना है बहुत दूर तुझसे. Oh, just walk away, walk away, walk away, walk away, yeah, walk away, walk away, yeah. So this was Walk Away, original Disney song that I had sung.
I think the 90s was the best.
Yeah, 90s kids will know about this song because High School Musical used to be a rage. And whatever recognition I have earned professionally started with High School Musical. Hi, Sarthak. Hi. Thank you so much,
All
guys.
I can say is Zac Efron.
Oh, why did you have to remind me? Zac Efron, my teenage crush he was. I mean, and imagine I could see all those visuals before everybody else because I was also dubbing for the series. So yeah, I have seen Zac Efron's original form that way. On that note, okay, one more song. I think everybody likes this song. Komal, अपने पास कितना time है, Baba?
We have 10 minutes, so I think you have 5 minutes to sing. I have 5 minutes to finish my detailing, and then
Awesome. Okay, so I think this one is okay, let me do Lean On. Okay, again, because I don't do run-of-the-mill songs, and whenever I do it live, it's generally produced by our production team and by my brothers who produce the songs, who create the electronic versions of the song. So this is another one by Dog Geek. I have a lot of songs up online, covers as well as some originals with Dog Geek on our respective channels. It's DAWGEEK, and you guys should check him out and check his music. Acha, Dante is Lean On. Okay, Lean On for you. Okay, I'll sing Lean On. I'll sing Lean On. I'll sing Lean On with a twist. Let's go for it. Do you recall not long ago we would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember, all we did was care for each other. But the night was long, we were bold and young. All along the window, we would only hold back to let go. Blow kiss, fire down, we'll need someone to lean on. Blow kiss, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Blow kiss, fire gun, we'll need someone to lean on. Blow kiss, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. That's the big one. Eh, oh, eh, oh, eh, oh, eh, oh, eh. One more time. Eh, oh, eh, eh, oh, eh. रेगिज़ारों में आँख है इतनी, है लहू खौलता मेरा इन रगों में, फिर भी राज वालों का रात ही काफी, रास मुझको है खामोशी मेरी बेवफा कब से, मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता मैं चला बेगुनाह सबसे, मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता मैं चला. Head back. Thank you, Dante. That's Doggy and his drop.
You guys should check this original song on YouTube, guys.
Lucas, right now we'll need someone to lean on. Lucas, fire a gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Lucas, right now we'll need someone to lean on. Lucas, fire a gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Eh, oh, 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 eh, oh. All we need is somebody to lean on, lean on, lean on, lean on, lean on, lean on. There you go. Thank you so much. What is that? Doggy all the way, boys. Give it up for Doggy. Loving this Sarthak. Thank you so much. Dante, thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, everyone. Love the remix. I shall convey that to Doggy. And the original one is on violin. There is Sandeep Thakur, who's a fantastic violinist, and the production is by Doggy. And you guys should check their channels out. And a huge shout out to all these wonderful artists. Yes, Kumal, you were saying something.
Yeah, I think moms are the best. They're like super supportive always.
I know, right? Moms are the best, and my dad is also watching. And dad, often because he's really shy and pyara, so he says things and he tells mom to tell me. So my dad is also watching and appreciating. So thank you, Dadu, so much. Dadu says it's very nice. He loves your drawing, by the way.
Thank you. So on Lisha, on an ending note, I would want you to sing like a very nice, soothing song for the current situation that's happening, and like, you know, just like a farewell song that you want to dedicate to everyone who's watching right now.
Okay, मैं तो ऐसा धमाका करने वाली थी, but you want soft song. Okay, I thought, you know what, because we all are in a place where we all are in a very dark and gloomy space with all the things that's happening around, you know, people are bound by their houses. It's not a natural environment to be in. So I thought we could do with a little bit of happiness and masti, which we don't get on a day-to-day life nowadays. And what do you suggest? You want a slow, mesmerizing song? I have that too. And
so you can do one mesmerizing song and like a small para, and then you can end it with whatever you like.
Okay, so I'll tell you what, I'll do the mesmerizing song first, because this song talks about galiyan jahan par hum log abhi ja nahi sakte. You know, we cannot roam about in galiyas because we are stuck at home. So okay, one mesmerizing Teri Galiyan. And also for anyone that toota hua dil, who is reminiscing about lost love. Sorry, on a sad note. यही डूबे दिन मेरे, यही होते हैं सवेरे, यही मिलना और जीना, यही मंदिर और मदीना, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां, यूं ही तड़पावे, खामोशी सी है ख्यालों में, तू ना हो फिर भी तो होता है सिला। तू मेरे दर्द का मेरे दिल की दुआएं हैं। तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तर पावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां। Thank you, Bubu. Thank you, Praneeth.
Guys, you can finish your black coloring. I will definitely upload the full picture online so that you can, you know.
ऐसा है रिश्ता तेरा मेरा बेचारा, फिर भी इतना गहरा। ये लम्हा लम्हा ये रेशम सी हो जाए, हो ना जाए हमसे है खिला। तू मेरे दर्द का तेरी दिल की दुआएं हैं। तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे,